SLOSMASHN.
Hello everybody, it's your old past Slow Smashing with another fantastic tale, smashing and bashing in slow motion. And in this tale, Axial Blazer with the Hulk driver, yeah. Alright, so boom, there it is right there, top aerial view. This was shot with the drone, just kidding. So I love this truck. I kept it stock for a long time, but it just needed mods. I got that crawler bug, bit me several times. So we're gonna start with the tires right here. We got some beat locker wheels that came off of my Sendero right there, I think. And then we got some KO2 BF Goodrich fully licensed, yeah, G8 compound. I love these tires. These are very cool, sick. And then we go with a little few scale accessories right here. Of course, we got the Hulk where I just kind of sunk him in right there. This is Infinity Gauntlet. I tried to color his arm, but then, you know, spare parts from the action figure drawer. That's what you got. Some scale components right here. We got some ramps right here, and a little tiny jack. I don't even know what that is. I think it's like a speaker, some extra gasoline, and then a doggy bone. But the meat potatoes, pop the hood. This is a 2800 kV, I'm sorry, 2850 kV Castle motor. Yeah, this thing punches. I like it. It's cool, even on 2S, which is what I had this truck in mindfulness speaking. We got the Mamba Micro X, which is more so for smaller or lightweight trucks, such as this thing. I weighed it. It's like 4 pounds. It's right on what they recommend for this thing. You can even handle up to 8 pounds on brief like stops and goes, and not full smash throttle. But so far it works great for this truck and these light systems. I got a cheapie like 25-30 kg servo that does a job in there. It's cheap to replace, and I'll save the money and get the Reese coolness later if it ever burns out. But this is an experiment. Life's full of experiments. Sometimes they go cheap, but not with that. That is awesome right there. Overall, like I said, it runs excellent 2S. That's why I wanted to do it. I love it on 3S, but the only problem with SCX10 or 10.2 platforms, the second ones, the ones in the middle, not the new ones, not the number 3s, but the number 2s, just the battery trays suck. You're really limited. I don't have any small 3S batteries, and I don't want to cut this really, so I'm just kind of just limited to 2S. And running this on 2S is awesome, but 3S is just way cooler. I don't think I'm going to trim it like I said, but I might maybe get a small 3S pack. I'm sure they're cheap on everywhere. What else can I say about the system? It has on-off switch, soldered together real nice right there, if I do say so myself, and it's really cool. More power, more top end speed, and it crawls pretty smooth, yeah. And again, back to the battery tray right here, you could see this barely clears. You're really limited to 540s on these SCX10IIs, so that's another reason why I went with this. Otherwise I would have popped a Fusion in here probably, because I love the Fusion, the Hobby Wing Fusion. Oh yeah, in case I didn't mention, I got some of these cheap pumpkin skid plates for the center and both differentials right there. They work great. I like them. They're cheap. They fit. These fit on great for the actual platform. You can see some scuffs. It makes it just glide over the rocks better. Also protects the center right there. I like that too. Doesn't hit or anything. Nice and flush. Makes everything just glide over, especially with the smaller tires. But let's button it up. Let's get to some smashing action with this thing. Now. So yeah, the challenge is smaller tires, but I like it. It's fun right there. The Castle system, it's smooth, but it's not as smooth as my Fusion system. I love the Fusion system, but the Castle system's cool. Definitely smooth still, better, way better than the stock system, power-wise, smoothness, and fastness. I had to, because I knew I would have bottomed out in that little point right there. This course is still a work in process. And that part right there, it catches all but the highest of my center diff plates or center plates. Alright, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed that smashing action with the Hulk Blazer Axial. Yeah, I love the upgrades I put on here. If I didn't talk too much about the tires, I dig them overall. They're smaller too. I think they're like 4.3 diameter or something too. I dig smaller tires, and I like these. You have trucks, just big tires, medium tires, and small tires. These are one of my smaller tire trucks. I like them. They stick good. The GF compounds work well with stock Proline foams on there, and the brushless system makes this thing punchy just where I like it. I love it. Castle's cool, but y'all let me know what you think about it downstairs in the comments below. Let me know about the Hulk driving it. Who's your Nick driver? I love the Hulk. But anyways, smash your bell, smash your thumb, subscribe if you haven't had to already, because we got Hulk Axial smashing brushless powder. It's almost a Bronco. No, Bronco's coming later. Blazer smashing out.